Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a complimentary SEO analysis of the website Brute Impact. SEO score for this website is 43 out of 100, so there's definitely a room for improvement. Your homepage Google snippet and probably the snippets for other pages as well need optimization, so you only have default brand name. It would be great to add more information here because you've got a allowance of 60 characters for meta title and 160 characters for meta description. And it's important to define this value because this information is visible in the Google search results listings, and if you haven't got this optimized, Google will show any other generated info from your homepage which may not be to your best benefit, in a sense that it won't create an urgency, it won't prompt people to click your listing. So it's important to define it, to tell about your brand, tell about your clothing, because from Brute Impact it would be difficult for people to really guess what you're selling, and you're selling quite a nice clothing. So define your branding, tell a bit more about your designs, about your clothing, and obviously create urgency by adding call to action. There are a few errors in a header section. There are no keywords in the heading tags. It's important to use them within your heading tags. There's a H1 missing, which is quite vital. It's usually assigned to a product page, so make sure that the homepage coding is correct, because if H1 is missing, there definitely will be impact on SEO. Most popular products, you can definitely add keyword here, such as buy best-selling printed hoodies or something like that. Collection list as well. So work on keywords in those key places as well. Content analysis, so the most used word is hoodie, which is great, but make sure to add other words such as urban hoodie or printed hoodie and so on. I know there's I think it's like Japanese or Asian style clothing, so make sure to find the keywords that suit your niche, that are popular, and obviously use them in those key places. This is a great way to improve your SEO. There's another tool that will give us even more info. Okay, about your website. So meta description tag, as I mentioned, is missing. Title tag is only your brand name. Keyword consistency, I've already mentioned it. Image alt tags, definitely define them because they will help you appear in Google search if someone is browsing images, which often happens in fashion and design niches. So people search, for example, for Japanese hoodie, but they don't go through normal results with text listings. They search through images. Once they like the design, they really like, they click to the website. So image alt tags will help you appear in those image search results. You've got no backlinks. Make sure to work on backlinks. While they are not as important right now, that they are still being considered by Google. So this is how people can find you as well. Maybe they don't have direct impact on SEO score as such, but they definitely can help you get more traffic. Your URLs are SEO friendly, which is great. You've got no broken links, you've got sitemap, Google Analytics. Make sure to connect it. Obviously, it's a great way to analyze where your traffic is coming from, how to improve your other SEO elements, such as bounce rate, such as dwelling time, and obviously monitor if any of the latest Google updates affected your traffic, such as Google update that has been rolled out earlier this week. Your website seems to be mobile friendly, but I'll check it again here. Yeah, it is mobile friendly, which is excellent. It loads a little bit slow. I think it's because of the number of images, but yeah, ideally you would want definitely under 3 seconds, or ideally even 2 seconds. So that can significantly affect your SEO. This is quite a slow loading site. Affect your SEO and obviously conversion rate, because many visitors don't like slow loading website. They want everything to load fast. They want instant results and so on. So work on these. While the free SEO analysis won't really analyze what is exactly affecting your speed, and obviously won't give you tips how to affect it. So make sure to invest in a full SEO analysis. The details are in the email to see how to improve your SEO, because at the moment that the website speed can on its own affect the way you rank in search results. So that's something I would work on first and foremost. You've got no broken links, as I mentioned, so that is great. And yeah, so we defined the areas that you should work on at the moment, and I hope you found this website critique useful. And if you would like to receive a full website analysis, the website redesign critique, content analysis, and so on, and also receive more tips on how to improve your website speed, order the website critique, order the premium website critique, and the details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.